In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create users in Zoho CRM. We'll start on the Zoho CRM homepage. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to add users. In most organizations, that's an admin or someone with user management rights. From the homepage, look to the top right corner and open the Setup menu by clicking the gear icon. This is where all organization-level settings live. Inside Setup, go to the General section and choose Users. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your CRM, along with their status, role, and profile, so it's a good place to confirm whether you have available licenses before adding someone new. To add a person, select New User. A form opens that captures the basics. Enter the user's first name. Use the person's official name as it appears in your company directory, which helps with search, reporting, and automations. Next, enter the last name. This becomes part of the display name across records and feeds, so accuracy matters. Type the user's work email address. Zoho will send an invitation to this address, and it will become the username they use to sign in. Double-check spelling and make sure the address is unique and active. If your company enforces allowed domains, use a company-approved email. Now set the role. Click the role field and choose the appropriate place in your organization's hierarchy. For this demonstration, we'll select Manager. Roles primarily control data visibility, who can see whose records, so pick the role that matches the person's reporting line. Next, choose a profile. Click the Profile field and select the level of permissions the user should have. For this example, we'll select Administrator. Profiles govern what actions someone can take, like create, edit, delete, or export, independent of data visibility. As a best practice, follow least privilege. Only assign an administrator-level profile to trusted staff who truly need it. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho sends the invitation email right away. Until the person accepts, their status will show as pending, and once they accept, they'll appear as active with the role and profile you assigned. If you spot a typo later, you can update user details from the same user's page. If your organization uses territories or advanced modules, those settings can be assigned later, so don't worry about them at this stage. The welcome email also guides the person to set their own password securely, so you never need to share credentials. That's it. You've created a user in Zoho CRM. If this walkthrough helped you streamline your onboarding process, don't forget to subscribe for more.